Ukrainian Su-25 military jets attacking enemies. Turkey has issued license for the production of Bayraktar and Akinci in Ukraine. The Turkish company Bayraktar received license permits for the production of Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci in Ukraine. This plant should be operational in 2025. The amount of investment in it is 95.5 million, report a kit. It resembles a computer shooter, but it's real hostilities in a building. Briefly, but it's clear in what extremely difficult conditions our fighters are reconquering Ukrainian land. A video of a drone destroying an armored personnel carrier. Destruction of occupiers. If Russia uses nuclear weapon against Ukraine, it will fight with NATO. Democrat Richard Blumenthal and Republican Lindsey Graham registered the considering corresponding draft resolution in the US Senate, Voice of America reports.